how to block internet access for an application on Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to go here on our desktop. And then once you're now on the desktop, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for control panel. After that, click enter. Once you're now on the control panel, the next thing that we need to do is to click view by and two small icons. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click Windows Defender Firewall. So click that. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to click Advanced Settings. Once you're now on the settings, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the outbound rules. Once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to click New Rule right here. And then in this part, make sure that program is selected and then click on Next. And then for this one, we're going to look for the path of the application that we want to block. So let's say, for example, that we want to block Google Chrome. So what we're going to do is to search Google Chrome on the search bar and then search for Open File Location. And then once again, right click on it. And then we're going to open file location once again. And then in this part, once you're now on the main location of the Google Chrome, what we're going to do is to right click on it and then click copy as path. Once you click copy as path, let's go back into this part and we're going to paste the path which is right here. Once you do that, make sure to remove the quotation marks right here and then click on next. And then once you do that, click block the connection and then click next again and then click next. And then if you want to name it, it's up to you. So I'm going to put Chrome right here and then I'm going to click on finish. Once you do that, if we go here on the Google Chrome, so we're going to go here on the Google Chrome right there. And if we put youtube.com and then click enter, as you can see, we are not connected to the internet since it is blocked by our firewall. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to block internet access for an application in Windows 11.